when you started auditioning and when you said, no, I don't want Papa's surname
Yeah.
and I want to carve my own identity.
Yeah.
And you started, working in the clubs as Jimmy J. Tell us a little about that phase.
Yeah.
What was that like? Because on one hand, one can assume कि यार you're Johnny Lever's daughter कितना ही आसान होएगा. But on the other hand, I think you chose to do it very differently.
I did.
So,
And
so
that's why I
tell us a
think
little about that.
maybe that's why it's taken me longer,
Hmm.
and it's taken me now 10 years, 12 years to get to where I am today. People know me for my work.
Yeah.
I'm proud of my journey. So when I went to London, I came back and I told my dad in London itself when he came for my convocation that this is what I want to do. He was like, "Arey, kya ho gaya hai?" So he said, "ये फिर इतना सब क्यों किया? What is all of this?"
Hmm.
And then he said, "Okay," but because he realized that कुछ तो इसने सोचा होगा, कुछ तो thinking की
Hmm.
होगी, and somehow she's gathered the courage to tell me because I'm very fearful of my dad. I respect him a lot, and I was very scared to tell him, anything dil se. So he realized ki, okay, she's done a lot of thinking behind this, and he said, okay, figure it out. I came back to India. I spoke to him. I said, Daddy, I want to start now with comedy. What do I do? He said, देखो तुम ढूंढो, तुम कुछ करो, रास्ता निकालो. And I called my juniors who I went to college with in Mumbai. They had started doing stand up. So Sapan Verma
Of course.
and Sahil, and
Hmm.
these guys were just kind of picking up in.
Who would have
Yeah.
thought that
Yeah.
Jamie Lever
Yeah.
would need to
I,
reach out to Sapan
I
Verma?
did not know what to do.
Yeah.
Sapan was doing stand up and he was really becoming popular at that time.
Yeah.
And I thought, let me just ask him, kaise karna hai? And I called Sapan and he started laughing. He's like, Jimmy, why are you asking me?
Yeah.
I said, no, Sapan, I really don't know how to go about this. And he said, okay, you can get an open mic spot at so and so club, and that's how you can try out. Then I called another friend of mine who was also from the film family, and Rikin, his name is my junior again. He was also trying out in the movies.
ये कौन सा कॉलेज है जिसमें सारे जूनियर्स कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं?
Somehow, I don't know, मतलब सबको था, कुछ किसी को
हाँ.
एक्टर बनना था. I was doing BMM, mass media.
हाँ, okay, fair.
So
Now
that's
that's
why. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
self-explanatory. Yeah.
So सभी कोई creative थे. So I remember Rikin gave me like a list of casting directors' email addresses and phone numbers. And he said you can call them, email them your portfolio, and get some photographs clicked. So I asked people how to do this. My dad did not tell me anything.
Hmm.
In fact, also how my dad started his career was very different. He was introduced to the movies by Kalyanji Anandji. That's how he got his first film gig.
Yeah.
So he also didn't know कि portfolio बनाना होता है या casting directors होते हैं. So this is a very new thing for him.
वो एरा ही अलग था ना?
हाँ,
Hmm.
उस टाइम पे मतलब लोग इंट्रोड्यूस कराते थे. अच्छा इससे करा लो, ये स्टेज पे करता है, ये कर
Hmm.
लेगा मिमिक्री.
Hmm.
That's how he got his first acting job also.
Hmm.
So so he was like, "वो ढूंढो तुम." And I feel like my dad somewhere had the confidence that she will figure it out.
She'll crack it.
She'll crack it because
Hmm.
he knew that ये मेहनती है and she's not really dependent on me so much.
Hmm.
I think he saw me kind of like that.
मैं पूछने वाली थी कि why do you think कि he was like तुम अपने आप ही देखो?
I feel like he just knew she would be able to
Hmm.
handle it.
Hmm.
That's what I feel right now
Also,
thinking of it.
also I feel like I think कि जितना मैंने सुना है,
Yeah,
the industry can be quite a harsh
yeah.
place to maneuver your
Oh
way
yeah.
through. So I think maybe one reason why so many times, not just in this industry in general, parents are like कि
Hmm.
ये करना सीख जाओगे तो हो जाएगा बाद में.
Yeah, and I feel like maybe I don't know. Maybe he thought कि ये try करेगी, she'll give up, and then she'll come to know कि she's not meant for this.
Hmm.
But I really fought through it.
Yeah.
I really fought through. I asked for help. I did my haath pair marna. I have made calls to casting directors. I've asked people for appointments. I have gone back and forth even to meet Shanu Sharma. I've struggled to meet her,
Hmm.
and that too not. I didn't ask my dad to get me her contact. I have contacted someone from college who I knew was assisting her at the moment, who was her third or fourth assistant.
ये कॉलेज तो बहुत ही बढ़िया
हाँ, मेरा
निकला
कॉलेज
मतलब.
बहुत ही बेस्ट है. So yeah, and they have helped me get me a meeting with her, and I've met her गाड़ी में because
Hmm.
she's super busy. So we
Hmm.
had a meeting in the car. She's like, Jimmy, this is how I'm going to do my meetings. I'm going लोखंडवाला से जूहू तक. आप
Ride
बैठ
with
के मेरे
me.
से बात करो, ride with me, and
Hmm.
that's how I did my first meeting with her. She asked me to audition. I've gone into a room where there were 30, 40 girls
Hmm.
who were asked to wear the same outfit, and I was there I did that audition like that. I've met with so many casting directors who I asked for work and then nahi hua tabhi.
पर क्या फीलिंग आती है क्योंकि व्हेन यू एंटर रूम्स विद योर डैड तो जैसे लोग आपको रिसीव करते हैं वो कितना अलग होता है
हाँ,
एंड नाउ यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ लेट्स से 40 पीपल हु आर
yeah,
ड्रेस्ड इन द सेम
yeah,
क्लोथ्स
yeah.
हाउ डज दैट फील एकदम से मतलब
I
ऐसे
think I had to really just put my ego aside.
हम्म
You know that growing up, I had that privilege. Na, I went on movie sets.
हम्म
I went and I was treated very nicely.
हम्म
Oh, Johnny Ji ki beti hai, beta, you want something? I sat with big actors. We had कितने सारे actors तो घर आते थे to meet my dad.
शाहरुख said in an interview his favorite co-star is your dad
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
मतलब
yeah. मैं ज़्यादा मूवी सेट्स पर नहीं गई हूँ, very
हाँ
less. I really honestly didn't enjoy it so much.
हम्म
But जितने भी in movie sets पे गए हैं या whatever stage or wherever I've been, we were treated very nicely with a lot of respect and love, and we got all that
हम्म
attention. And then cut to
कट टू
here I
मतलब
am, like
हाँ
real life struggles,
हाँ
and I had to really forget. Okay, ठीक है, I am Johnny Lever's daughter, and people might think that things are easy for us being a celebrity kid or star kid. Nahi, it's not like that. Not,
हम्म
I feel like उसमें भी in the industry there is also favoritism. Nepotism अलग है, favoritism है. तो वो
वेरी
एक
वेल
चीज़ है.
सेड
Yeah.
ये काफी लोग बोलते हैं ये
Hmm.
मतलब अमंग्स कॉन्वर्सेशंस दैट आई हैड दो तीन चीजें काफी प्रोमिनेंट
Hmm.
आती है एक तो फेवरेटिज्म एक तो पे गैप
Hmm.
यू नो ये
Yeah.
सब
No, but hair true because maybe because my dad did not go for filmy parties
हम्म
and we didn't. My dad treated work like work. He went to work, he came back home, he was very normal at home, very
हम्म
typical South Indian घर में
हम्म
रहना, very typical, like we had a very middle class kind of a simple upbringing.
हम्म
Nothing special.
हम्म
Because his was a rags to riches story ना, तो उनकी upbringing तो वही है, simple life.
हम्म
So he went to work, he finished that, came home, वैसा ही था. We never went for parties, we never really hung out with other
तो फिर
star
कैसे
kids.
मिलते
No.
उन सब लोगों
कैसे
से
होते उस कम वो सर्कल ही नहीं था हमारा,
हम्म
टू बी गिवन अ चांस और टू बी अराउंड दोस पीपल. उठना बैठना था ही नहीं.
हम्म
So I had to really figure it out, and now
हसल
hustle big time. And now people know me because of my work.
या
So the other day I went for an event, and a lot of actors just came over and they're like, Jamie, we love your videos. We go back, we watch your videos, and I'm just like so surprised. I had Karina Kapoor spoke about me on one of her podcasts, and she said, "Oh, Jamie mimics me, and I love the girl, and she's so good." I'm just so like
या
wowed by that.
ऑफ
Like, oh
कोर्स
wow, like ye bhi hai.
एंड एग्जैक्टली they know you for you
Yes.
and so you've gotten exactly where you wanted to be
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
कि
It's been tough, but like
हाँ
I'm so happy. I'm so proud of my journey, like I said.